Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Block Bull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now we are quickly gonna cover XRP, as XRP is making some decent gains on the weekly time frame. Now, before I do that, I've literally just launched this giveaway. So this is for the XRP Premium plan. So this copy is worth $106. Now, if you guys want to enter for free with a chance to win this copy, just make sure you go on the pin tweet there over on at the Block Bull if you're not already following over on X. You literally just have to like the post, repost or quote, and the winner will be announced on the 22nd of September. So diving into the charts here, we have the XRP price action playing out here. Now you can see exactly what is forming here. This is exactly what happened prior to XRP exploding in price action back in February of 2017. Now, we are all expecting, especially the XRP army, we are all expecting price action to go parabolic anytime soon, but we have got some weeks to go yet. However, we do have the SEC need to file the appeal if they are to do so by the 6th of October. There's a lot of rumours going around it's the 7th, but for me personally, what to my understanding is the knowledge base is it is the 6th of October. So we could potentially get an early breakout here. However, historic data does signal that we will be looking to do in at least 32 weeks before we actually really get going. Now, if I was to make a measurement from the Bitcoin halving this year, back in April, we are only at 21 weeks. So we're still a few months away from getting that official breakout. So I'm not going to get too carried away. And this is the thing with expectations. If you've got expectations for a breakout before the 6th of October, you're mistaken, because I'm seeing a lot of optimism in the markets. Now, I don't want to rain on anybody's parade. However, XRP is looking strong here. Now, XRP, although it's looking decent on the weekly, we still have to close inside the wedge. So this is ultimately what the XRP holders are waiting for, myself and you. We are looking to get a close in here. Now, I would like to see a retest up here around that sort of 67, 68 sort of cent. That would be nice, you know. So I would be looking at XRP then rolling over and again pinballing in to this apex that is being created here on the weekly. Now, if we actually zoom in, let's go on to the daily and work inwards, you can see here it's way too early. It's way too early for a breakout. Way too early. So XRP is currently trading at the blue trend line, as you can see here. Now, XRP is going to have to make some sort of decisions whether or not we're actually going to look to retest this upper blue wedge. We will shortly see in the next week or two. But for me, as long as we're in this sort of region here between the two sort of trend lines converging as we move into the apex at the end of the year, I will be very, very happy. So this is where we are now, guys. Just a quick update, just to keep you guys in the loop. Anyhow, I've been the Block Bull. I shall see you soon. Block Bull over and out.